everyone, today we will be cooking oven-baked potato with cream. The ingredients are onion, potatoes, salt and pepper, whiskey float 500 ml. We cut all the ingredients like this and we prepare a rectangular like this. We put the potatoes first and we put the other one halfway and we make the line like this. And another one. And after, I put the onion on the top of the potatoes. And I put the potatoes again on the top. Just repeat the procedure. And onion again on the top. And potatoes again until you use all your ingredients. I put the salt and pepper. And the whiskey float. I put them all. And before I prepare this, I already opened the oven for about 200 degrees. And after we put it on the oven for 200 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. And there you have it. You have your oven baked potatoes with cream. Thanks for watching.